passive. Now you have already learnt tense, that is active voice. Now today we learn how to change active into passive. Students, when the subject is active, that is active voice, and when the object is active, that is passive voice. Now let us see the definition of active voice. The verb that expresses the action done by the subject is said to be in the active voice. Now, what is passive voice? The verb that expresses what is done to the subject is said to be in passive voice. Let us see, for example, how we change the sentence from active to passive. Raja posted the letter. The letter was posted by Raja. In the very first sentence, Raja is active. In the second, where we have changed the active into passive, the letter is active. That means the object is active. So the first rule to change active into passive is subject becomes object and object becomes subject. Then the sentence changes into passive voice. So when to use the passive voice? When the subject is unknown or can't be mentioned easily. जब subject पता ना हो तो mention ना किया जा सके, then we can use passive voice. Suppose the example is my cow was killed. So if you want to change into passive voice, you have to write somebody killed my cow. Second sentence is the fox is said to be cunning. Now here the subject is unknown or can't be mentioned easily. People say the fox is cunning. Now let us see how verbs are put in the passive voice. Now there is only one verb which is used in passive voice, and that is third form of the verb is always used in passive voice. Now come to how to change the persons in. When we change the sentence from active to passive, we have to use one connector, and that is by. By is always used. Suppose sentence is I killed a cow. If you want to change into passive voice, you will write a cow was killed by me. So I will be changed into me. I will be changed. In the same manner, suppose it is we eat food. So if you want to change into passive voice, we will say food is eaten by us. So how the pronoun changes into other pronoun, that is in passive voice. I changes into me, we changes into us, he changes into him, she changes into her. It remains the same, it is always it. They changes into them. That is the way in which one pronoun is changed into another pronoun when we change the sentence from active to passive. Now I am reading again how subject in active and object in change into passive. I by me, we by us, you by you, he by him, she by her, it by it, they by them, and Ram will be by Ram. So subject in active, object in passive. How to change the subject? Because the rule is subject becomes object and object becomes subject. So if the subject is I, how it changes into object in passive voice. This is how we change the sentence from active to passive, and how we change the person from subject to object in passive voice. Now let us, children, see this table. You have learned the table of tense in active voice, and this table you have to learn from the grammar book, because it's a big table. Because it is a big table, you have to learn it from your grammar book. Suppose in active voice the sentence in present tense is I sing a song. it will change into passive. A song is sung by me. In past, I sang a song. So in passive voice it will become a song was sung by me. Future, I shall sing a song. A song will be sung by me. In the same manner, continuous will change from active to passive. I am singing a song. A song is only one word will be added, that is being. A song is being sung by me. In past continuous, I was singing a song. A song was being sung by me. So being is added in continuous when we change from active to passive. I shall be singing a song. So future continuous is not changed from active to passive. Now come to perfect. I have sung a song. This is active. Now when we make it passive, only one word is added, one verb, that is been. A song has been sung by me. Past perfect. I had sung a song. We will change into passive. A song had been sung by me. Future perfect. I shall have sung a song. A song will have been sung by me. Now come to perfect continuous. I have been singing a song. So perfect continuous does not have a passive voice. Remember children, perfect continuous tense. In tense we learned perfect continuous, but passive perfect continuous of active does not change into passive. They will remain the same. Suppose perfect continuous, I have been singing a song, it will remain the same. No change. It cannot be changed into passive voice. I had been singing a song, we cannot make any passive. I shall have been singing a song, we cannot make into passive voice. Now let me tell you the exercises which we get in the exam for practice, that is process writing. In English we have to do this active into passive is applied in an exercise, that is how to make a process writing. Suppose we are making any dish, any recipe, so the steps are given in the very beginning. Suppose this is how to make tomato apple drink. So first we have taken ingredients, that is 6 medium tomato, 2 large apple, salt to taste. These are the steps, these are the things which we are taking. Now the steps are, method is written here. This is process. Cut the tomato into big pieces, peel the apples and cut into big pieces, mix the tomato and apples with half teacup of water and put to cook. When cooked, blend the mixture in the liquidizer. Serve chilled with nose cubes. So this is the method. These are the ingredients. In this manner, it will come into your exam. You have to do the process writing into passive voice in your exams. Just below this ingredients and method, there will be exercise for you to do. The tomatoes dash pieces. The apples are also dash. The tomatoes dash. And the mixture is put to cook. When cooked, dash and serve chilled with ice cubes. See children, in the exercise you must be saying that subject is given. Only you have to cut the tomatoes. So the tomatoes are cut into pieces. The apples are also peeled. The tomato, see the verb. Every sentence, every method is starting with the verb cut, peel, mix. So the apples are also peeled. The tomatoes are mixed. And that is given. When cooked, the mixture is blended and served chilled with ice. So the verb will be changed into third form: cut, peeled, mixed, blended. Serve will become served. So they have already cut the tomatoes. Tomato is object and cut is subject. So when they are giving the exercise, they are giving in this manner: tomatoes has become the subject and cut will become the object. In the second sentence, apples are subject and peeled will be your object. The tomatoes is the subject and mixed will become your object. So this is the way how you do process writing in exam. So children, this is how to change active into passive. Now you try to do it from your grammar book. If you have Now I will give you some sentences to change from active to passive just after some time, because the topic is over. So if you will have any difficulty, you can ask me. That is all, children. Thank you very much.